Meng Shi. We are from the University of Tokyo, and this is Navi, my team leader. And they are doing their MBA in Hitotsubashi University. And also we have another member called Salman, who comes from Ghana, who is not here today. And we are all Bayesian scholars, and we started working on this project since this March.
Oh, honestly, very nervous. But at the same time, very excited because we have been working very hard on this project. And we have made a good start, we believe, and we are strongly confident about our model. But this is a very good chance for us to put it up to test, put it up to the challenge of the judges.
We started last year. All of us were attending Bayesian summer program, and we met lots of social leaders there, and they pointed out that one of the main problems that they are facing is lack of skilled manpower in social sector. So being a set of people who have those set of skills, we thought, how can we deliver to them while keeping our primary career goal? So that's when we came up with this idea of setting up a platform where we can help them out remotely. Like, there are many organizations back in India, Vietnam, China that need those professional skills that they cannot afford to hire. So that's when we came up with this idea of platform where we can work for them remotely. So that's been the basic idea. So for me personally, it has always been about creating something or solving some issue, and doing this, I can actually engage with people who are trying to solve an issue, and facilitating them, empowering them has always been enriching. And with the team, that like we have a lot of fun doing it. So that's also part of the motivation going forward with this.
We started this project 1 year ago, but we started this we work on this project really seriously from this March. Although we were all really busy doing something else, like Fangqi was working very hard on her master thesis, and Naveen and Lin are doing internship in Japanese companies. And also for me, I delivered my first child last December, so I was taking care of the baby, which take a lot of my time. But we still managed to meet about every weekend. We usually gather in a Starbucks in Tokyo somewhere and work on the project. I think the most difficult thing is that all our potential partners and mentors are very high level, and they require high quality projects as well. So we have to prepare a lot before meeting them. But that's quite positive for us because we can do our projects well.
The most important thing that we remember, that is our first project that we started. So after finalizing the project, we floated the emails to our network basically for asking for volunteers. And we started receiving emails. That was like a very positive surprise for us, that okay, so many people actually wanted to do this. And then we set up a kickoff meeting time, and I exactly remember that I was at work at my internship, and I booked a time, and when the meeting started, I could see 4 people in 4 different countries working and discussing the ideas on the platform that we are working on. That was the highlight of the whole project, and that keeps us motivated to make it happen many more times. First is that if you want, it's not just social. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you need to think out of the box. You need to do something that others are not doing. And being a social entrepreneur, it becomes more difficult because it's really hard to sell your idea based on numbers. Because if you have concrete numbers with like profit margins and how much do you need and how much you will give them back, it's really easy to communicate. The social thing, you will have to sell the value that is hard to see or hard to put down in numbers. So you need to look into that before going into a social entrepreneurship.
The advice I'd like to give to future scholars who want to also join the pitch session is to make as much friends as possible and enjoy your summer camp.
Okay, I would like to add on to this that it all started in the summer camp actually, and the basis of the whole idea is that we were good friends and we could connect in the summer camp, and we like to work with each other, have fun discussing ideas. So at the summer camp itself, if you want to do something, pitch something or do something new, try to find people who you want to work with or whom you have fun spending time with, and discuss your ideas with them, make teams and make it work.
My advice is just looking for some topic that you are really interested in and find some friends with same interest. Yeah, that's important.
Pick a good team with people who you trust and enjoy spending time with.
Yeah.
Well, I just want to talk to our future Xian scholars. If you want to do something new, this is your good chance.